Alors, où est-ce qu'on en était? Scanner l'ancien droïde médical. Détail. Il y a un droïde médical spécial au temple Jedi avec un mécanisme de rôti lentilique. Aidez Mubu à cataloguer ce droïde rare. Aurine Jedi perdu. Bon, ben, on va aller là-bas. C'est parti. Alors là-bas en bas, ce que j'ai comme arme, ouais, j'ai ce qu'il faut, c'est bon. On va pas s'activer ces machines encore. Attends, je suis pas du tout dans le bon sens. Comment j'ai pu me tromper? Ah, c'est lui qu'il fallait scanner, d'accord.
What? Huh? What's this? Oh, the scans? Oh, look, forget that. We have a big problem. A big Cecil Slack-sized problem. Get back to the cantina as soon as you can.
Tout. C'est juste que j'avais oublié de scanner la dernière fois. Salut R2D2.
Kid, he's gone. Cecil Slack is gone.
Comme il a pu disparaître avec sa taille.
I'll check the back room. Why don't you look around?
C'est vrai que c'est le bordel là.
Piece it together.
Mixeur. Un mixeur cassé. Attends, je le prenne. Menottes du premier ordre. Pistolet de Silzalk. Silzalk. Y'a rien d'autre ici? Je peux pas ça passer derrière le comptoir? pas utiliser le jackpot pour passer de l'autre côté. Chercher des indices. Ah, j'avais pas vu là-haut. Marque de blaster. Wow, ça fait flipper l'enfant.
Hello, my friend. Thank you for freeing me.
Hondo!
Hey, Hondo, Alpha Transport Solutions, Hondo.
You were in there the whole time? What happened out here?
I love your curious mind, Mubo. It seems that Cecil Slack was telling a story to some of the patrons. A story the First Order did not like.
What was it?
Well, I don't know, but they most certainly disagreed with it. Some stormtroopers came in, threats were made, but our large friend would not back down. Until they stunned him. He snapped the first pair of restraints they put him in, and then stun. At least that's what I heard from my strategic audio observation spot.
Doc, the First Order. They took Cecil Slack.
I've heard. He may already be on his way to an off-world labor camp. We must infiltrate the comm center the First Order is building. Slicing a data terminal there might be our only chance of discovering his destination.
I am afraid it is very heavily guarded. Otto and I recently attempted to perform surveillance on the facility. We were rudely rebuffed.
But how do we get in?
I have it. No more brows furrowed in worry. The First Order have a shipment of parts coming in, handled by Onaka Transport Solutions. One of you can stow away in a container. Special delivery.
You stood against the Guavian Death Gang when they captured R2. Surely we can count on you now. Wonderful.
An excellent choice. And I hope you're not opposed to cramped spaces. Don't worry. I mean, it's not like I'm selling you to the First Order in some sort of double cross.
Complexe du Premier Ordre, étendue sauvage de Batuu. J'ai envie d'éternuer, ils vont m'entendre. Sortir de là. Oh. Armure de
The
Stormtroopers.
armor is customized, so we can remain in communication. Blending in should allow you to freely access the facility.
Just pull the lever next to the door when you're ready to go.
Ok. J'ai pas d'arme de toute façon. Pas de jetpack non plus. Y'a rien à trouver ici.
Huh. I thought there'd be a lot more comm arrays in this. Whoa. What is that thing? A drill?
I heard we're 4 days away from being operational. What do you think the locals are gonna do? What do you mean? They're gonna thank us?
Bon, du coup, j'ai pas mon radar pour savoir où est-ce que je vais. Y'a rien ici.
Hey!
Salut les gars.
Oh, hey.
Salut.
Sometimes people just need that little push, you know? To see what we can do. The resistance and their problems.
J'ai oublié mon...
Everyone. This place is going to open some eyes.
J'ai oublié mon arme, tu peux pas me donner la tienne?
Okay, great. Chit-chat with troopers complete. Don't forget the coaxium schedules.
Allez.
This direction looks promising.
And lucrative.
Merde. Oula. Petite diversion.
Locked. Slice it.
What was that?
Screams of torture coming from a comm center. Curious.
Rien ici. Oula, je suis où?
Our resident storyteller, eh? Well,
Je suis peut-être derrière lui.
let me tell you a little story. It's about the cost of chaos.
Hey, go easy on that. I just...
You see, Batu, the entire Outer Rim really is lawless. Free, some say. But what freedom? To be robbed by pirates, shot down by gangsters. Real freedom is being able to walk to the market and not worry about scum blasting you into charred bits over a few credits. To control that chaos, remind me, what do we call that?
Order.
Order. Very good. And what's another word for order?
Freedom.
Excellent. You're making a lot of progress. I think that's enough for today. Time for another nap.
No, I can...
Just think of all the recruits this place will create. The legacy of the First Order will live through them. Let's get him back to his cell. Shut it down.
Oh dear. This is no comm center. This is a First Order re-education facility.
Oh, jeez, re-education? I'm gonna be stuck repairing mouse droids on a Star Destroyer in the core more worlds, and I'll think I like it. Okay. Find a data terminal and download a layout of the complex. We have to see if there's a way to cripple that place, right? Don't we? Right?
Yes, this is very bad for business. First, they kidnap a mildly respected outpost proprietor, and now this. We must crush this stormtrooper factory. Today.
Good, yes, but maybe let's get Cecil Slack out before all the crushing?
Intéressant.
Ah, that terminal looks like it could work. See if you could get the schematics off of it.
Et pour ça, il va falloir que j'ai dessus, c'est ça? C'est bon, ça leur paraîtra pas bizarre si je prends une arme. On peut viser là-dedans? On voit rien. On voit rien. Ça s'éclaire juste quand on vise. Et après, à travers, je vois rien. Alors, on va peut-être commencer par celui-là. Ah, c'est bizarre. Eh mon pote! Good. Alors.
Excellent. R2 will analyze the schematics for any structural weaknesses or critical features.
Ruby's on it too. And it looks like Cecil Slack's holding cell isn't far from you.
Il est là.
Oh, and we got lucky. Since it's still under construction, he's the only prisoner in the facility.
Ah, excellent, il est juste là. Là, je peux plus toucher les commandes. Ça bouge plus. Personne.
Oh, hello. Long live the First Order. Hey, are you here for my armor fitting?
They've done more damage than we thought.
Cecil Slack, it's me, Mubo.
You're a little dull for a Mubo, ain't you?
What? No, this is the kid. I'm on comms inside the helmet.
Kid? You signed up too? That's great. It's a good look on you. I have a feeling mine's gonna look weird.
Oh, we have to get him back to the bar.
We're going? I just want to leave without saying goodbye.
Cecil Slack's repulsor gurney should have a port where you can use the all kit. Zap his repulsor gurney and get out of there!
Yeah, they do this thing that takes away my worst headaches. It sure doesn't give me the headaches. I don't remember. Anyway, I got 5 good eyes, and they're open every single one of them.
My friend, would you be kind enough to ask Cecil Slack if he's heard what the word around the mess hall is on coaxium schedules?
Not now, Hondo.
Oh, it's LB-1033. He has some interesting ideas on whether or not General Organa was actually born on Alderaan.
Prisoner transport? I didn't hear about this. Did you?
Me?
I know about everything that goes on here. So yes, I heard about this. Of course I did. Carry on.
All right then. Have a good one.
Hey, tell Kylo Ren, Cecil Slack says...
Eh! Là, d'un coup, ils savent que je suis méchant?
Hey, did you shoot
Quel délire.
LB? Oh, come on, I'm never getting invited to their sabacc game now. LB! LB! No, he's dead.
Whoa, that was close.
Qu'est-ce qui se passe? Surchauffé, le truc?
You're getting close. Almost out. Cecil, that story you were telling must have really heated the First Order. Do you remember what it was?
Oh, yeah, I was telling a story, Gosh, what was it about? Let's see, you know, I can't remember. My head is really foggy. Hey, hold on. Okay, please, can we hold on for a second, please?
Cecil, are you okay? You're almost home free.
I don't know. Leaving just doesn't feel like what they'd want me to do. They're my friends. My white helmeted friends.
Cecil Slack, you weak-minded fool. We're trying to help you. We're your friends, not them.
Are you sure? Because I bet they'd want me to yell for help. Yes or no from your camp? It just feels like a good compromise might be like, help, help, First Order recruit in jeopardy! I'm sorry, that kind of just came out. I don't know where that came from.
Oh, Cecil Slack!
Damn.
I'm sorry. No. Am I? Well, yes. But kinda no. I'm not sorry. I am. Huh?
Oh, j'ai bien visé celui-là.
Hey, over here.
Par contre, j'ai pas le moyen de me remettre de l'énergie là.
Smells like a an antiquity shop. Perhaps we know someone who can help set us right. Oh no. We'll need your kit.
Of course, my friend.
Ah, je suis mort.
You're getting close. Almost out. Cecil, that story you were telling must have really heated the First Order. Do you remember what it was?
Oh, yeah, I was telling a story, Gosh, what was it about? Let's see, you know, I can't remember. My head is really foggy. Hey, hold on. Okay, please, can we hold on for a second, please?
Cecil, are you okay? You're almost home free.
I don't know. Leaving just doesn't feel like what they'd want me to do. They're my friends. My white helmeted friends.
Cecil Slack, you weak-minded fool. We're trying to help you. We're your friends, not them.
Are you sure? Because I bet they'd want me. Yes or no from your camp? It just feels like a good compromise might be like, help, help, First Order recruit in jeopardy! I'm sorry, that kind of just came out. I don't know where that came from.
Oh, Cecil Slack!
I'm sorry.
Okay.
No. Am I? Well, yes. But kinda no. I'm not sorry. I am. Huh? Hey, over here. What am I saying? What?
That Azamel is like a panther in an antiquity shop. Perhaps we know someone who can help set us right. Oh no. We'll need your ship.
Of course, my friend. Although, before I depart, I would like to take a moment to discuss coaxium schedules.
You'll have no prize with them dead.
Which is why Hondo is on the job.
Oh putain de merde. Qu'est-ce qu'ils m'ont fait?
Don't worry, kid. You're gonna love it here.
Stun the big one.
Oh, and they got me too. Probably for my own good. Here comes the darkness. Hey, you're up. Seems like we had a bit of a mix-up back there, but trust me, you'll see. I just got done with my treatment and I feel much better. Next, it'll be your turn.
Hi, scum.
Scum, huh? They're always joking around with me, calling me scum. Aren't we always joking around, buddy? My little scum buddy.
Hello?
What? Who are you?
An intruder! And look at all the buttons I'm pressing!
Stop!
Bobo. He seems louder than I remember.
Need backup!
So much for the quiet approach. Hold tight, partner.
Oh, what's going on? I can't see anything. You know, which is strange, because I got a bunch of eyes.
Let's get you free, and then maybe have a chat about the company you've been keeping. Your gear. Lucky for you, Doc caught me in the area. We'll get the barkeep out of here. Your play is decommissioning the
Impeccable.
space.
Out of here?
J'ai une grenade là.
No way. I am not going anywhere with you. And I'd like to see you make it.
Hey, you!
Ah putain.
Okay, that's surprising.
Sounds like reinforcements are coming from that direction. So we're headed this way. Blast a couple for me.
See you, kid. Enjoy the treatment. I have never been carried like this. I'm not gonna lie. It feels great.
Kid? Hello? Oh, good. You're back on comms. We cracked it. 3PO, do you want to,
R2 has discovered the location of the facility's master power core. If the core is destroyed, the system will overload, rendering their beastly re-education machine quite useless.
3PO, say how?
Oh, right. R2 is still carrying the Tivana gas we acquired from fighting those disagreeable pirates. We condensed the payload into a small container for optimal storage. Detonating it should suffice to cause a complete...
Uh-oh, more troopers headed your way. Kid, I'm sending you Lenz's location. Meet up with R2 there.
Alors, je vais prendre du soin que j'ai posé là. J'ai ce qu'il faut en énergie, c'est bon. Hop, une deuxième arme là, ça va le faire. J'ai largement ce qu'il faut pour me soigner là. vais crever. Un petit droïde. Montez là-haut.
Hey, partner! I left a few gifts for you scattered in the rafters. Put that hover patch to good use.
Stay alert. The hostile was last seen in this area.
Putain, ils sont des boucliers, les enfoirés. Je vais sortir une grenade. Bien visé. Non! Bon bah. Je me suis fait avoir. J'étais persuadé qu'il n'y avait plus personne. Merde, si je prends pas le pognon. Ça serait dommage.
Stay alert. The hostile was last seen in this area.
Eh merde. Ah mince. Je peux pas ranger mes armes là-dedans? Non. Non, je vais mettre des grenades là.
Stay alert. The hostile was last seen in this area.
Ah putain! Je suis nul là. Je vais à tout prix gérer la grenade, mais vaut mieux que je m'éloigne. Je prenne du recul comme il faut. Mais non, elle est pas trop difficile, le jeu. Même en difficile. Merde, je suis descendu sans faire exprès. Je te sors la grenade. Non. bouclier, ça. Non! Foiré! À chaque fois, je vais me faire avoir, hein! Putain, je vais de dégâts, je me crois tout seul après. Allez, on regarde les armes, tranquille. Tenez votre fusil blaster des 2 mains pour une meilleure précision.
Stay alert. The hostile was last seen in this area.
Extra batch of spray above you.
Il doit rester au moins un autre. Et où le bouclier? Utilisez 2 mains pour utiliser le bouclier. Ah ouais, on peut tirer en plus. Ah ouais, excellent. On y voit quand même moins bien, mais ça peut être pratique.
Up here! We can end this on a high note.
One person did all of that? Come on. There's gotta be more.
Shut up! We have to stay focused.
Je vais prendre ça à la place. Enfoiré. Tu veux une petite grenade, monsieur? Ouh. Je vais échanger avec celui-là. Moi j'ai utilisé un peu de munitions. Oups, foiré. Ouh, je l'ai eu. Ah là là. Ouh. Ouf, joli. Bon, on verra, je vais quand même aller voir là-bas s'il n'y a rien d'intéressant. Non, il n'y a rien. Stormtroopers du premier ordre. Ah, il m'a fait peur là.
You made a lot of noise and kept him off us. Much appreciated. Hondo just touched down outside. Doc said he could fix the bartender's head. So we're off.
Come on, kid. Give the First Order a chance. They're really... Oh, look! A resistance droid. Hi there, my metal sworn enemy.
You wipe this place off the map, okay? Give him hell, partner.
Eh mince, je croyais que j'allais pouvoir aller avec eux.
Blasting here and there and saving the day. Okay, very good. I must hastily withdraw before the First Order sees my ship. But thankfully, the full fury of their might is focused on you. And remember, do not die, my friends.
Coordinates of the master power core are in your data grid. All you have to do is make it there with R2 and blow it to pieces.
Oh, thank the Maker. The power core isn't much further.
Stop right there. I was alerted to an unauthorized breach of the facility schematic. I know where you're going. And do you know why you'll never make it? Because if my soldiers don't kill you, I will bring this whole facility down on top of you.
Oh, he's going to use that laser drill to blast you and R2.
My, he is quite mad.
Run!
Not that way.
No. He cut off the only way to the power core. Now move before the drill fires. Run! Go! Okay, if he's onto us and controlling the doors, it doesn't look like you can make it to the power core. But there's still a chance.
Yes, with R2's help, I have discovered a construction debris chute that runs adjacent to the power core. If you are able to deliver the gas,
I drop the Tabata gas in there, and boom! Transferring the location.
Wow!
The allies who helped you
Fais
today.
crever.
I'm going to turn them all into enemies. One by one, they'll forget you. Everything you've done, every time you've dared to act against us. Then it'll be your turn.
Ils vont pas mal de parler.
You'll see ours.
Je suis pas concentré moi après. Oh! Ah bah j'ai crevé. Putain, c'est compliqué de viser avec ces armes.
Back up. Thought I heard something.
Ah putain. En un ou deux coups là, je suis mort.
Something there.
Quoique j'ai des drones, je pourrais presque les balancer. Il n'y avait pas un autre là?
This little team you've assembled, the allies who helped you today, I'm going to turn them all into enemies. One by one, they'll forget you. Everything you've done, every time you've dared to act against us. Then it'll be your turn. You'll see our truth. The First Order is right. The First Order is just. The First Order is forever!
Je voulais voir en bas s'il y a un truc. Ouais, non, on va éviter d'y aller. Ah, un truc qu'on peut scanner là. Système de câble de la foreuse.
Stop procrastinating and transfer the gas immediately.
By transfer, refuel means R2 will shoot it at you.
C'est la même chose que ça, non?
Go, now! Get ready to catch!
Ah ouais, d'accord, il fallait que je me bouge plus que ça. Mince. Trop curieux des armes. Hein?
Kid, come in! Oh, you're still breathing. Thank goodness.
Je croyais que j'étais mort. Attends, c'était quoi cette arme? Je suis trop curieux, moi.
Team 6, reports at the construction annex and confirm that the situation is contained.
Intéressant, ça.
You stumbled upon the answer, Lobo. We seize command of the drill.
Bon, par contre, wow! Les gars, il me parle, j'ai pas le temps de lire. Fallait le voir celui-là, on voit rien. Trooper anti-émeute du premier ordre. Pleine tête. Et merde, fais chier. On va sortir ça là. Boum! Ça l'a calmé. Je crois entendre quelqu'un d'autre. Trooper volant du premier ordre. Merde. Ouf. Là, je peux pas voir mon énergie quand il parle, lui. Là.
Brilliant! So I guess, disable those brakes? No problem, right, kid?
Ouais, c'est bon, j'ai toute mon énergie. Là, je peux rien actionner là. Il a dit il faut que je coupe les freins. C'est ces trucs là-haut. Comment on fait? Il y a juste à tirer dessus ou quoi? Ah, je suis pas sûr. Quelque chose à faire ici?
That console operates the lift that'll take you to the drill's brake mechanism. Slice it and head up. Okay, maybe a little bit of a problem. Good luck.
Good. Good. Il faut travailler les réflexes. Là, je peux utiliser. C'est pas la fin. C'est pas encore. Attends, faut que je monte là-haut du coup. Ah ouais, peut-être par là. Yes. Ok. Attends, on peut scanner ça. Système de freinage de la foreuse. Comment ça marche? Ah d'accord. Intéressant.
Attention, all troopers. Our intruders think
Oh, je peux crever vite fait là.
Stop it.
Mince. Parfait.
Loyal soldiers, now is the time to demonstrate the depth of your battle. Show the invader their
Je le sens pas.
against the righteous tide of the First Order.
Ouais. Celui-là, lance-grenade là. Ah, j'ai loupé. Oh, j'ai plus rien. Eh merde. J'ai plus rien. Je suis dans la mouisasse. Parce qu'elles sont les autres armes là-bas. Voilà. Ouh. Putain, je suis pas tranquille. Ouh. Enfoiré. Attends, l'énergie. Oh, il y en a deux. Oh là 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 là. Putain, j'espère que la sauvegarde est pas trop au début de la séquence là. Votre multikit a 3 fonctions. Ah bon? Il faut que je débloque. Je débloque les trucs. Ah non, c'est bon. Ah non, c'est bon. Cool. Là, je vais reprendre un truc d'énergie là. Je vais peut-être balancer un drone. Un drone explosif là. Je peux toujours rien faire. C'est bon, ils arrivent. Ah. Qu'est-ce qu'il faut que je fasse? Bien placé au centre, à mon avis. Qu'est-ce qu'il faut que je fasse? Je tire sur la manette, mais c'est bon, c'est ça. Je me suicide. Mais non, je suis toujours là.
Hang tight. Hondo is on his way to extract you.
Before we celebrate, we must ensure the lieutenant has been eliminated.
It's our side.
Tu croyais quoi, mon pote? Là, je peux pas je peux pas aller jusqu'au bord. Je pouvais pas le voir se spatcher.
Congratulations! You did it!
Merci, merci.
And I did get the coaxium schedules.
Hondo, not you, the kid! Took down an entire First Order battalion and rid the outpost of a re-education center!
Indeed, the resistance is in your debt. If every world had a hero like you, my existence would be considerably
C'est vrai, c'est vrai.
Of course, I remembered R2. The resistance commander here on Batu has a message for you.
Bright Sun, Vi Marati here. Word amongst those in the know is you went and blew up a perfectly good brainwashing station today. And for that, you've earned my thanks. 3PO says you're quite the inspiration. Now, the rest of your story is up to you to write, but just know, our door's always open.
Sure, the resistance might sound enticing, but don't discount a career in relic hunting. Not as partners or anything, it's just... Freya could use the company.
Oh, there he is! Look who's back to their old self!
Wow, huh, kid? Gosh, we really almost f***ed ourselves on that one.
As you can see, the deprogramming took, and his brain has been restored to its original, questionable state.
Good one, Doc, but the joke's on the First Order. You gotta be educated before you can be re-educated.
Oh, cheers to that!
All hail the First Order. Gotcha. I'm kidding, you Minox. All hail the First Order. You thought I was...
I'm going to laugh at that till I stop. And Doc, speaking of coaxium, I will be needing another ship for the heist. One alone is not enough. Surely you can help?
No, do not ask again.
Now there is a ship that just might work.
Hey, Cecil Slack, now that you're all together upstairs, do you remember the story that got them so mad at you?
Oh, I do! The story I was telling? It was about a certain droid repair tech who had no business getting into this kind of trouble. But there they were, standing against evil wherever it popped up.
Oh, I agree. The First Order would not like that.
Yeah, I guess that story got us into quite the scrape, huh? But you know what, kid? No, I get it.
Ouais. Franchement bien. Hein. Excellent.